Are you looking for a home remedy for bloating or information on how to get rid of bloating? Dealing with bloating when your family and friends seem richly gifted with healthy gastrointestinal function can be difficult. Hi, this is Kate here again with another valuable video, and today we will talk about bloating, so stay tuned until the very end to fully benefit. Everyone has experienced the discomfort of bloating at some point in their lives. Being bloated is irritating, uncomfortable and annoying. Curing bloating is possible, however. Most people don't really think about how to cure bloating until after they are bloated. Once you are bloated, you will generally attach more urgency to finding a cure. Let us look at some of the causes, then together we'll be able to find some common sense ways to cure bloating. One of the most common reasons for bloating is overeating. Overeating is often caused by eating too quickly and therefore not realizing when you are full. When you have had enough to eat, your stomach will send a signal to your brain telling it that you have had enough to eat. However, when you eat too fast, the brain and stomach do not have time to communicate effectively. As you continue to eat, you pass full and go into stuffed quickly. Usually, bloating is noticed when you are feeling stuffed. If you slow down and give your body time to register how much you have eaten, you may have found a cure to your bloating problems. But the most common causes of bloating are constipation and gas. Other causes of bloating are parasitic infection, tumor, bowel obstruction, and cysts. Most of these painful belly problems can be treated by using natural home remedies for gassy stomach. Constipation is a common cause of bloating, especially when triggered by a common condition like irritable bowel syndrome, also known as IBS. There are many things that can cause constipation, such as inadequate fiber intake and not drinking sufficient water. Consuming these two things generally relieves bloating, and bowel movements often become regular. If this doesn't provide relief, constipation may be due to an underlying medical condition which could require a doctor's attention. Excessive gas is another cause of bloating problem. This can occur when too much air is swallowed and moves into the gastrointestinal tract, or intestinal bacteria produce excessive gases when food material is being broken down in the small intestine or colon. Minimizing consumption of gas-producing foods, avoiding carbonated beverages, and eating more slowly often lead to less gas production and lower incidence of bloating. Other causes of bloating include cysts, tumors, and polyps. These are not very common, and they do not necessarily occur in the stomach or large intestine. For instance, ovarian cancer often causes the abdomen to feel bloated or distended if there is a large tumor. Treatments will depend on whether the growths are malignant or benign, and whether or not their size is getting larger over time. Sometimes, certain parasitic infections cause bloating and other health conditions. Some parasites can grow very large if not detected and removed right away. Other parasites can quickly multiply and can form an accumulation of many parasites clumped together. These cases can lead to bloating and should be treated appropriately. Some foods can cause bloating as well, even if you do not overeat. Maybe your childhood dislike of broccoli stemmed from a bloated stomach. However, broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, beans and other foods have been shown to cause bloating. Does this mean that you should cut them out of your diet? No. Just be aware that they could be causing bloating issues. You may want to keep a record of what you have eaten when the bloating occurs. If you notice that certain foods are always on the list, you may want to eliminate them and then reintroduce them one at a time so you can pinpoint the cause of your bloating. Another common cause for bloating is lactose intolerance. Most adults have some sort of lactase intolerance. This is caused by the body's decrease in the production of lactase as we age. Lactose is an enzyme which the body produces to help break down milk products. If your body isn't making enough of it, you may be lactose intolerant and may be having bloating as a result. Cutting down on dairy products may help you cure bloating. Also, you can substitute soy milk for dairy milk where necessary. Also, just like with a baby, when too much air is introduced into the stomach, bloating and upset stomachs will occur. If too much air is causing your bloating, you may want to cut back on carbonated drinks. It also might help you to make sure that your food and drink are not too far on the hot or cold extreme. Drinking or eating things that are too far one way or the other can cause you to inadvertently inhale extra air. In any case, this type of eating is generally agreed to be rather unhelpful to your digestive process. Women probably suffer from bloating more than men. Women may experience bloating on a monthly basis before and during their menstrual cycle. This is due to a fluid increase which is stored in the abdominal region. During this time, to help reduce the bloating, women may want to increase their exercise routine. Exercising will help by causing you to sweat out more of the excess fluids. When the fluids are gone, the bloating should diminish, if not complete disappear. Many times people are misinformed about bloating and bloating remedies. As mentioned, this health condition can be caused by a number of factors, such as intestinal bacteria or yeast overgrowth, certain prescription medications, or consumption of certain foods which cause excessive gas in the intestine. There is a wide variety of products that are used for getting rid of bloating. This health problem is so common that the number of companies offering bloating remedies is simply amazing. Most medications out there only suppress the symptoms and do nothing to eliminate the real cause of bloating. If the reason for the bloating still exists, then the bloating will return. This is because the core problem wasn't addressed. So suppressing the symptom will not make your problem go away. If you are seeking something to put an end to your bloating problem, you should go for a product or remedy that aims to target and eliminate the root cause. That way, the symptoms, which were mere signals alerting you of the root cause in the first place, go away. There are many natural and herbal products available at most health food stores. You can also find these natural remedies at online stores. Sometimes a combination of these products are used. There are even homeopathic remedies for bloating. One of the most effective remedies for bloating is the use of probiotics. Probiotics are used in the treatment of bloating and other digestive disorders, with very successful results. Probiotics are a class of beneficial microorganisms necessary for a healthy and balanced intestinal tract. They help replenish the beneficial, friendly bacteria normally present in the intestinal tract. They inhibit the growth of disease-causing microorganisms, such as pathogenic bacteria, yeasts and parasites. They help restore normal bowel function and promote regularity. These can be found in capsules, powder, or liquid form. Those with large amounts of friendly or beneficial bacteria in their intestinal tract are better equipped to prevent the proliferation of disease-causing organisms. So, to eliminate bloating and other intestinal or digestive disorders, you need sufficient quantities of beneficial bacteria. You need to consume sufficient quantities of high-quality probiotics. A huge number of people have successfully eliminated bloating and other intestinal problems, simply by consuming probiotic supplements or probiotic food products, such as kefir or yogurt. You too can successfully get rid of bloating, and enjoy life again. We are now going to give you more home remedies. 1. One of the most effective home remedies for bloating is the consumption of ginger tea. Consuming ginger tea soothes bloating by leaving a warming effect on the digestive system. This warming effect results into digestive enzyme production, which enhances and improves food digestion. 2. Consuming a mixture of grounded cinnamon, honey and water on regular basis is also very helpful in relieving the discomfort caused by bloating. 3. Bay leaves are also very helpful in causing relief from bloating. Just boil a cup of water and then add bay leaf to this water. Wait for 5 minutes and drink the entire cup in one setting. Remember not to lie down for at least 1 hour after consuming this mixture. Staying in upright position will help the gas to come out quicker. 4. Chamomile tea is considered to be one of the efficient home remedies for bloating. All you need to do is consume chamomile tea twice daily. One in the morning and one just before going to bed. 5. Peppermint tea is also one of the effective home remedies for bloating. It relaxes your body muscles and allows your body to release digestive gas. Just boil a cup of water with some dried peppermint leaves, 1 teaspoon, in it. Let it boil for 10 minutes and then strain this tea. Drink this tea for 4 to 5 times daily. This tea is more effective if you consume it before meals. 6. Turmeric is also very effective in treating bloating. It is rich in nutrients and vitamins such as protein, folic acid, iron, vitamin C and calcium. These vitamins and nutrients help to improve the functioning of the digestive system. 7. Fennel tea is known to have digestive properties and is very effective in giving relief from bloating. 8. Drink plenty of water and eat fruits and green leafy vegetables. Buttermilk is also very helpful in fighting bloating. 9. Avoid eating troublesome foods such as celery, beans, milk products, apricots and Brussels sprout. Do not drink carbonated beverages. 10. Avoid tobacco products and smoking. 11. Carom seeds are known to have thymol, which acts as an antibacterial and is very effective in curing problems of digestive system. Therefore, consuming carom seeds mixed in water with some black salt can be very helpful in treating bloating. 12. Cardamom is also one of the effective home remedies for bloating. It stabilizes the acids of your stomach and is very helpful in treating bloating. There are many ways to cure bloating. This list is in no way exhaustive. Hopefully, it has given you some ideas you can use to cure bloating. The feeling of well-being you will receive by curing bloating will definitely be worth going through the motions to find out what is triggering your bloating sessions. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our forthcoming video.